You are Michael Mitchell Jones. Mr. Jones, you're here on an alleged felonious assault. This is a second-degree felony. If you're found guilty, you can be incarcerated up to 8 years in the state penitentiary. You can be fined up to $15,000 or both. The second charge is an allegation of illegal assembly or possession of chemicals for the manufacture of drugs. If you're found guilty of this offense, it is a second-degree felony. You can be incarcerated up to 8 years in the state penitentiary, fined up to $15,000 or both. So do you understand the potential penalties here? Now, you do have certain rights in connection with the matter. I just concluded an explanation of those rights as well as the plea options just a moment ago. Do you feel you understand those matters? Now, it's not necessary for you to do anything here today, sir, but I'm going to inquire, do you intend to hire an attorney? Do you have the money to do that? Are you going to make application for an appointed attorney? Yeah. Okay, so now are you going to be able to pull together the $25 filing fee? I'll put you down for no plea then on each of these charges. That'll preserve all your options till you have a chance to speak with your attorney. Mr. Jones, the address I have is 2121 East 45th Street. How long have you lived there, sir?
6 years.
6 years, okay. Is that your parents, your address, parents' address? Parents, okay. I see there was some felonies that were bound over earlier this year. Are those cases all resolved down in Jefferson?
Yes, sir.
Or are they still pending?
They're still pending.
They're still pending, okay. You got two $50,000 bonds. I'll set a $100,000 bond. I'll get 10% or cash surety. This matter will be set for a preliminary hearing within the next 5 to 10 days. Basically, at that time, the state is given the opportunity to present the evidence that it believes proves you're guilty. I'm a filter. I get to hear the evidence and basically make a decision on whether or not it sounds reasonable or probable to believe the offense did occur. It occurred within this court's jurisdiction and was committed by you. If I find those things are reasonable and probable, then my job is just to ship it down to Jefferson. That's where the matters would be heard. I do have the authority in conducting that hearing to amend the charges. I can even dismiss the charges depending on what the evidence is. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, go ahead and have a seat, sir. Thank you.
Ohio versus Joshua Rice.
You are Joshua Rice, is that correct, sir? Yes. Okay, Mr. Rice, you're here on an alleged possession of chemicals to assemble or manufacture drugs. If this is a second-degree felony, if you're found guilty, you could be incarcerated in the state penitentiary up to 8 years. You could be fined $15,000 or both. This is a drug offense, so you're also subject to mandatory minimums. Do you understand those matters?
Yes, sir.
Are you going to hire an attorney, sir?
No.
Okay, you're making application for appointing counsel?
Yes.
Okay. I see that I have an affidavit here. This is your affidavit? That is your signature?
Yes.
You solemnly swear the information you've supplied is true and correct, as you answer under God?
Yes.
The record indicative dating the document with today's date, July 28th, 2014. Are you going to be able to pay the $25 filing fee within the next 5 days?
I hope so.
I'll indicate to the clerk we have up to 5 days to get that paid. In view of your request, I would suggest we just put you down for no plea on the felony and put you down for not guilty plea on the misdemeanor. That'll give you a chance to speak with your attorney. Looks like you may have some cases still pending down in Jefferson as well. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Your bond will be $50,000. It'll be a 10% or cash surety bond in the felony matter. Misdemeanor matter will be $2,000, also 10% or cash surety. I'll direct the clerk to schedule everything at the same time. That way it won't be making multiple. If you are eligible for an attorney, that attorney will be here on the day of the preliminary hearing. Good luck. 2,000.